One man with the ability to see things differently. One purpose, a solution to bring electric light to his grandmother's home. Brought about one company that's challenging the status quo and evolving into a business ready to take on the present and the future. That company is Southwire, one of the world's leading manufacturers of wire and cable and an emerging influence in the industrial electrical space. Our products lie in the walls of your home, in the transmission lines that power our neighborhoods, in the places we work, schools where we learn, and the hospitals that keep us well. Pretty standard for a wire and cable company. But did you know we can also be found in mines and on trains, in your air conditioner, in data centers, and even your toolbox? And that's just the beginning. At Southwire, we work hard every day to discover, develop, and distribute strong and sustainable solutions that exceed the expectations of our stakeholders around the world. Our goal is simple. We want to go from good to great. We continue to build on our nearly 7 decades of rich history by looking to the future, a future whose needs will be met through high-end systems and solutions, and a future that is guided by the technologies, forces, and trends that are shaping our industry today and tomorrow. Our business is guided by 2 thoughts. First, we want to be the supplier of choice. By providing differentiated solutions for a wide variety of applications that bring the most value to your project, we're doing just that. We want you to think and specify Southwire first for your job. Second, we want to make contractors' lives easier. Since our company began, we've been proud of the many innovations and solutions that have helped our customers save time and money, while at the same time staying safer on the job. And we're not stopping. We continue to take the time to visit with and listen to our customers and create unique, meaningful solutions that will make their jobs and their lives easier. By differentiating ourselves to be the supplier of choice and providing solutions to make contractors' lives easier, we're creating a business poised for growth. And the true driving force that keeps us strong is our people and their steadfast dedication to our customers, our company, our environment, our community, and our future. Through volunteering in our local communities, creating thriving educational partnerships, staying safer on the job, keeping a close eye on our environment, and always striving to do the right thing, we remain committed to the sustainability of our company and our world. So, you can see, we're growing and we're ever searching, ever seeking, and ever committed to create those strong and sustainable solutions that will take us from good to great, both for the present and in the future. One purpose, one company, one Southwire. Southwire, we deliver power responsibly.